Good evening, Toastmasters.
Good evening.
And guests. You could be the message for someone, for somebody. I could be your message. You remember this quote? So, Mahavir Jain, that is a quote that I'm going to remember for a long time, and it was a fantastic message that he gave to us, that each one of us with our actions, knowingly or unknowingly, inspire someone, impress someone. So perhaps it goes with the theme of this session also, this Toastmasters July to December session, perform to transform. Each one of us is living a message for someone. Okay, now let me move to what were the good things which I saw in your speech, Mahavir. There were a lot of good things. But before I go ahead, let us give a big round of applause for a job very well done, Mahavir. He was, today, as as Santosh also mentioned, it was a day of surprises. We came here, some of the speakers who had taken up the role did not turn up, and the role, it fell upon Mahavir, and he took up the role, and he gave a prepared speech of 5 minutes probably without any preparation. I think you have given it earlier, long back or something? No, this is the first time. So for that alone, I think for the courage to step forward and give a speech, fantastic job done. Let us give him a very big applause. You introduced dialogues in it. There was this dialogue between the 15-year-old girl and this uncle, and then you have these are, especially in speeches, these kind of dialogues pull you into the speech matter. And then there were anecdotes, and overall, generally they say a good speech should have anecdotes and dialogues, not just narration. So very well done there, Mahavir. And the way you presented yourself with a lot of cool, elan, confidence. You won't believe it, you have been around for what, 6 months here? Not even 6 months, exactly. Not even 6 months are not completed, and already he comes across as a really thoroughbred speaker. Now, these were some of the very good things which I could point out in your speech, Mahavir. And what I would like to suggest as an improvement is that maybe because of the paucity of time you were not able to structure it, but the project that you presented today was Project 3. And the objective of Project 3 is to focus on a specific purpose. Determine a general purpose, focus on a specific purpose, and when you say focus, your speech should somehow continuously have that focus. But somehow when you were initially talking about the Dr. Sandeep Shastri and some of the instances about his coming from Afghanistan, somehow it didn't fall into place. I really couldn't follow how it followed into you started the speech with age doesn't matter. And the world, another quote was there, world is on fire, age doesn't matter. But how did it follow, how did it fall into synchronize with the end where you say that, you could be the message. So somehow that I really enjoyed your anecdotes and the dialogues. They are totally imprinted on my mind. But how they fall into the entire structure of the speech, that is where I feel that it could have been fine-tuned. So overall, for standing up, stepping up, being courageous, and then coming up with a fantastic speech, let's give Mahavir a big round of applause.